So, picture this. You spot a device that claims to bring spa-level facials into your home. Suction to extract impurities, exfoliating gels, hydrating serums, and even heat-char-cold sculpting attachments. That's the promise of the FacialPro Glow. What the credible reviews say. Users who tried it report visible improvements, smoother skin, more glow, less puffiness, after just a session or two. It's intuitively built, works for a range of skin types, and the technology, exfoliate, extract, hydrate, sculpt, lines up with pro-facial steps, the caution side. It's expensive, around $300 to $400, and you still need to buy consumables, serums, refills. Some users say it's not a complete replacement for a dermatologist or professional facial if you have deep-set issues like cystic acne or major sagging. So, is it a scam? No. This device appears to be legit. Real users, real results, real tech. But is it a miracle fix? Also no. If you adopt it as part of a routine, are realistic about your expectations, and budget for the consumables, it can be a worthwhile investment. If you expect overnight dramatic transformation or all-in-one cure, you're likely to feel disappointed. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.